Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So in this lecture, we'll try to find this quantity, that is the flooring quantity in the parapet portion, right? Like I mentioned, here we are going to provide the anti-skid tiles. So what exactly the anti-skid tiles? You see, it's a open portion, right? Usually, a few people keep it as it is. You put a skid concrete and you finish it off. Few people, if you regularly use that area, then usually what we do is we put a tiles there. Okay, anti-skid tiles. You get a tile something like this, or even I can tell you anti-skid tiles. So you get pavers, kind of something. You can see these are also anti-skid only. So you can put such kind of tiles also. It's called as anti-skid. Okay, it depends on the client what you want to use, but we'll find the area for that. And if you get the area, you can decide what you want later. Okay, fine. So for that, I need to find the area. I'll go back here. So I've divided it into two areas. This is open space one, and this is open space two. So what I'm trying to tell. So this is my open space one. Sorry, this is my open space one, that is from here to here. This is one area. Okay, this much area, and then this is my second area. This is my open space 2. Very simple. Both are a kind of a rectangle. One is almost a square. This is a kind of a rectangle. So you know the length already I've written 5.37 by 5.32, and this is 4.19 by 1.94. You just have to multiply, you'll get the area. Okay, same thing I'll do it now. So I've written open space 1, which is in square meter, open space 2 in square meter. Both are 1. So what is the first one? It is 5.37. See, this is 5.37, no? And 5.52. Okay. So we'll measure it, what exactly we are getting. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll measure from here. And I'll go up to this part. Yeah. So I'm getting 5.38 actually. Here, even though I've written 5.37 here in the AutoCAD, but actually if I measure, no, I'm getting this value. Just a 1 mm deviation. Okay, no problem. It doesn't make any difference, 1 mm. And this is 5.53. Actually, it is 5.37 by 5.52. But in the measurement, I'm getting 5.38 by 5.53. So I'll consider the same thing. And now I'll update the same thing here. Okay, so we'll make this as 5.38 and we'll make this as 5.53. Got it? So same thing I've updated here. So 5.53 and 5.38. So area will be very simple. 5.53 into 5.38 comes out to be 29.751 square meter. Come to the open space 2. Again, it is in square meter 1. So what about this part? So this part again, you see, this area it is. Okay. If you want, I'll measure it again. So from here to here, it is 1.94, which is exactly correct. And again, from here to here, okay, up to here. See, up to here I need to go. Where it is? Yeah, this portion. Wait, I'll measure it here. That is from this point to, okay. Yeah, this point to this point. Because up to here we had calculated for that, no? So it is 4.31 I'm getting. So it is 4.31. So in the Excel sheet I've written 4.31 and this is 4.31. I'll make a changes here. Okay. 4.31 and this is 1.94. This is 1.94. It is okay. Yeah. This measurement I think I had done. Where is that? Yeah, it is here. Okay. 4.31. So this is 4.31 and this is 1.94. Okay, fine. So it is 4.31, 1.94. You just multiply it. 4.31 into 1.94 will give me 8.361. So total parapet floor, that is the anti-skid tiles, will be add both of them. 29 plus 8 comes out to be 38.113 square meter. Got it? Very simple. So in this way, we have taken care of ground floor, first floor, and even the parapet area. All the flooring has been completed. Now, whatever area we got, no, later we'll decide how many number of tiles is required. That later we can do. Now we have found the area. What I'm trying to tell is, for example, see here. So let us say in utility you got 10.034. Okay, I'll go to the utility area now. So this is my utility area. Utility. Now in the utility, what kind of tiles you put? Since it's a utility area, we usually go with the rough tiles, isn't it? Because if you put that normal glossy tiles and all, since utility always it is subjected to water, you will be having a water there. Okay, so you have to put an anti-skid. That kind of tiles has to be put. So you go to the market, you check which brand you want. If you want Kajaria brand, you see the cost of that. And now this is the area I have. This area already I've got. This area is 10.034. And let us say the tiles area is, let us say, 300 mm by 300 mm. Okay, let us consider the tiles area is 300 mm by 300 mm. So my total area I got. How much number of tiles is required? Let us consider if I'm going with 300 mm by 300. So 0.3 into 2. Okay. So how much it comes out to me? Your area of one tiles I want. Okay. I'll find the area of one tiles. So it is 0.6. So how many number of tiles is required? So number of tiles will be how much? 10.034 total area divided by area of one tiles. Area of one tiles is 0.6. Why? I took 300 mm by 300. So I'll divide it by number of tiles. So how much I'm getting? I'm getting 16.72. Let us say 17 number of tiles. I mean, you add another 5% wasted to that. Okay. Let us say 17 number. It comes out in number. Okay. 17 and add another 5% wastage to that. Let us say 22 number of tiles is required. So when you order, you go to the market, you place the order, isn't it? So in that case, you order 22 tiles and that is sufficient for you to take care of that. Again, the skirting portion is also should be added. It's not that only the flooring tiles will be done. I'll explain you what is skirting. The side part, we have to do the skirting. With the same tiles, you'll do the skirting. That also you need to take care of. So in the next lecture, I'll explain you the skirting part. And later, we'll calculate all these things when it comes to the costing part. Okay. Now, again, just number of tiles I got. I don't know what is the rate of one tiles. I mean, not one tiles. Per square feet rate will be there for the tiles. Either per square feet or you can convert to square meter also. And based on that, we'll find the costing. If cost of one tiles is 50 rupees, for 22 tiles, 50 into 22 comes out to be 1100 rupees. Got it? So in that way, you'll do the costing. For one, I explained. In this way, you'll be doing it for the entire ground floor, first floor and all. Okay? Yeah. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.